Hello students. Yesterday we have done this chi-square test. So in that chi-square test I told that there are two applications for the chi-square test. So in the previous class I told you how to use chi-square test for the it is for the independence of this is independence of attributes. For independence of attributes. So now the second application of chi-square is chi-square test for goodness of fit. So yesterday's class I told that you can use chi-square test for two applications. The first one is chi-square test for independence of attributes. Yesterday we have seen that is you have a contingency table, and in that table row wise and column wise there are two attributes. Always you assume that the attributes are independent of each other and you check whether they are independent or not. Now this is the chi-square test for the second method, the chi-square test for goodness of fit. Goodness of fit means a table values will be given and they'll ask that the table is following whether binomial or Poisson or normal distribution. So you have to check whether the table follows the given distribution. So they'll ask you to check. So that is goodness of fit. That means the data is fitting in that particular distribution or not. That is goodness of fit. So normally when the problem will be given, the first step is to write the null hypothesis. That is always you assume for the goodness of it, you assume that the data follows whatever distribution they say. Binomial means you write it follows binomial distribution. Always the null hypothesis is it follows. So whatever distribution they say, suppose they ask you to check whether the data fits Poisson distribution. That means you assume in the null hypothesis that the data follows Poisson distribution, or if they ask you for the normal distribution, you assume that the data follows normal distribution with alpha whatever value they give you. The alpha value will be given in the problem itself. And immediately the alternate hypothesis is whatever null hypothesis you have taken, it follows binomial or Poisson distribution. Null hypothesis, you can say it does not follow that particular distribution. Always null hypothesis is follows and alternate will be does not follow. Whatever distribution they are asking, just write that the null hypothesis follows that distribution and alternate hypothesis it does not follow that particular distribution. And the next step is you need to find the degree of freedom for this. So with degree of freedom and alpha you can find the chi-square value from the graph, from the table. So here the degree of freedom will be k minus 1. K is the number of classes. That means a problem will be given. Suppose you have a problem this way. They have given you a problem this way 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here your classes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So K will be 6. So K is the number of classes. So after you find this, you need to find chi-square table value from the graph. So chi-square table value means for the degree of freedom and alpha, whatever value they give you, degree of freedom you need to find and alpha is given in the problem. So for the degree of freedom and alpha, find the chi-square value of from the table. So that value, that is this will be the graph for chi-square. This is the alpha value, rejection value, whatever they give you, always will be to this part only. No one tail, two tail and left tail, right tail. Here only one rejection region will be there in the chi-square. So this value, chi-square table value, you will get from degree of freedom. Give whatever you find, that is k minus 1. K is the number of classes. So for example, here it will be 6 minus 1, 5. At 5 and alpha, for example, they give you 0.05. So at 5 and 0.05, whatever value you have from the chi-square table, take that table value. So the next step is you need to calculate chi-square calculated value. For that you need to have FE. FE you have to find for each of the F0. Whatever values they give here are F0. For each of the F0 values, find the FE value, expected frequency. Then after you get this, find chi-square calculated value with this formula. That means again you need to put the table F0, FE, F0 minus FE, then F0 minus FE whole square. Then the next step will be F0 minus FE whole square by FE and that summation. So in yesterday whatever table you have written, same table you have to do. That is after you find FE here. Put the table and find this value. So whatever value you get here, compare with the table value. If suppose this value is 5.67 and if I get 2.73, this value, calculated value. So it will be before 5.67, that is before rejection reason. So you accept null hypothesis and say that it follows the given distribution, or else if it is in the rejection reason, you say that it does not follow the given distribution whatever they are asking you, and you say that it does, you accept null alternate hypothesis and reject null hypothesis. So final step is you have to decide, write the decision. So this is about the goodness of fit. Okay, now let us see a problem on this goodness of fit. So here he has given a table. The number of, this is the data given. This is the number of mistakes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and number of pages. That means with 0 mistakes you have 21 pages, with 1 mistake 90 pages. So this they have given, and total he has given it as 143. This total comes to 143. So he is asking fit the Poisson distribution and test goodness of fit. So he is asking whether this data fits in Poisson distribution or not. So no, as per the theory part what I have done, so I said that first null hypothesis is the data follows whatever distribution he has given you, and H1 is, that is alternate hypothesis is data does not follow, it does not follow Poisson distribution. And next step you need to find degree of freedom, that is k minus 1. So 5 minus 1 it is 4. So alpha value if it is not given, always you have to take 0.05. So this is the alpha value, and chi-square table value we have to find from the graph, that is from the table, chi-square table. So this comes to at 4 and 0.05. From the table I got it as 9.488. So this is the rejection reason, always only to one part, critical reason. This is 0.05 and I got it as 9.4. This border value is 9.4. So we have put the graph, and next step is I need to calculate expected frequency, FE. So FE for this I have to, that is whatever distribution he says, you have to use that formula. So FE means it is Poisson distribution. So you have to use Poisson distribution formula. This formula already we have done. P of R is e power minus lambda, lambda power R by R factorial. So your R values will be whatever he has given, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for 4 values, you have these frequencies. These are observed frequencies. You need to find FE. So for R is 0 first, P of 0 you need to find. So for this I require lambda. So lambda is not given directly. So what you have to do is from this table whatever he has given, you have to find lambda. Lambda means mean. So mean of the table is sigma fx by sigma f. In the first previous units we have done sigma fx by sigma f. So x is what he has given, frequency he has given, multiply it, and sigma fx, add all this. So it is 174 by sigma f is these frequencies what you have added. So sigma f, this is x, this is f. So you have put the table and find the mean. So this is lambda 1.21. So for that you need to find P of 0 e power minus lambda, lambda power R by R factorial for R value of 0 first. So it will be e power minus 1.21 is 0.298 from the table or from scientific calculator also you will get this, into anything raised to 0 is 1. So this is 2.298. So this is the probability I got. But here if you see these are the frequencies, I require the number. So whatever P of 0 you got, if you multiply it with total number, then you will get the frequency, that is the in terms of number. So that will be n is the total 143. So 143 into this probability 2.98. will get you'll get Fe for the observed frequency 21. In the same way, you need to find P of 1. So this will come to any time if you want to convert probability in terms of number, you have to multiply with the total n. So this is 143 into 0.298, 42.6, and same way this is 42.6. Same way you need to find P of 1. So e power minus lambda power r by r factorial 1. So this is again 0.298 into 1.21 divided by 1. So this will come to 0.298 into 1.21. So this is 0.360. So I require number Fe of 90. For 90, the number is 143 into probability, whatever probability you got, 0.360. So this will be 143 into 51.4. So like this you need to find for P of 2, P of 3, P of 4. Then after that put the table. The next thing is calculate chi-square statistic calculated value. So for that yesterday I said it is first you need to put the next step. This is fifth step, calculation of chi-square calculated. So first F0, then Fe, F0 minus Fe, then F0 minus Fe whole square, then F0 minus Fe whole square divided by Fe. So put this table and this total value will be, this summation is chi-square calculated value. So for F0, this is your 0 value 21, 90, 19, 6, 7. So for 21 we got it as 42.6. Then for this it is 51.4, like this. Now subtract these two, put it here, then square it, then divide by Fe. Then add all this, you get chi-square calculated. After you get this, compare with this value, where it falls, after this value or before. If it is less than 9.4, it will be in acceptance region. If it is greater than 9.4, it comes in rejection region. So then you decide whether to accept or reject the null hypothesis. So if you accept, then you say data follows Poisson distribution. If you reject, then you say it doesn't follow Poisson distribution. So you go through this particular problem. So suppose they ask for binomial distribution. Now this is Poisson. Suppose for example if they ask for binomial distribution, everything is same. Only here what you do here is P of r will be, you use binomial formula. It is C of n comma r, P power r, Q power n minus r. So this formula you have to use and find the probability and multiply again probability by n will give you the number. So find the expected frequency with the help of binomial distribution formula.